Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Tom with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number 2393. It's a very nice 2006 CAT DP40KL1. It's a 9,000 pound pneumatic tire forklift. It's equipped with a 2-stage mast. Does approximately 159 inches. Smooth running Perkins diesel engine. It's got excellent dual solid pneumatic drive tires and good solid pneumatic steer tires. Recent PM, tune-up kit, new PM service, paint job, ready for work. You can check out this forklift or any other of our forklifts at either store in Denver or Fort Collins or online at abetterforklift.com. Just going to show us how high she goes real fast. Again, this is Kyle and Tom with Western Material Handling. You can check out this forklift or any other forklifts at abetterforklift.com. Appreciate your time for watching.